Are you okay?
Don't even try to pretend. Have you forgotten what you did to me a day before you left on that your so-called youth service? Have you? My goodness! Cynthia! So you still have that in mind? Oh my goodness, this is too much.
Really? I'm keeping it in mind.
And now, madam, that you're back, please mind your business else.
Cynthia!
Margaret, or whatever you call yourself. How many times have I warned you not to be touching my things in this house again? Wow. You just called me by my name. Cynthia, you just called me by my name simply because I'm wearing your clothes. Cynthia, for God's sake, you are my sister. And I see nothing wrong with me wearing your clothes. See, in your life, don't ever call me your sister. You are not in any way related to me. I'm Cynthia, you're Margaret. And in fact, you used to be my sister the week before you left for your so-called youth service.
Cynthia, why do you hate me so much? Why? What have I done? What's my offense? Why?
You really want to know why I hate you?
Yes.
You want to know why I hate you so much? Okay, no problem, let me tell you. I hate you so much because you keep grabbing all the good things in this house. You keep acting so innocent for Mama and Papa to love you. Why be the bad one? I hate you. I really, really hate you. Cynthia, you know this is not true. Cynthia, you are my baby sister and I love you so much. We all love you. Oh, no. You don't. Everybody hates me in this house. And please don't explain anything to me.
Cynthia.
No! Leave me alone! No!
Come on, Mama, for don't do this thing, come here, for don't do this thing, come here.
Calm down now. I think it's until my period. I be think I'm lying. You know, so I'm stingy this thing from you now.
Oh, Mama, wow, people, for don't run this thing, come here. I need this thing.
See, I feel to make you do alright without this thing.
Then babe, do something now. Why are we wasting time?
One that they say shall never hear. So now for school, I want take to
Do it, eh? What do you see us do?
Don't even pretend like you don't know what we're talking about. Or I'll go and tell Auntie Kate and go flip. And you know what that means, Abby?
No, Irene, see, it hasn't gotten to that now. It hasn't gotten to that. Please, don't tell anybody.
Then you need to settle us.
Yes. See, okay, I didn't bring anything to school today. I'll bring something when I'm coming tomorrow.
My friend, take from your lover, Abby. This is how they joke.
Irene, come, let's go to
Hey,
guys, see, this money is too small.
Mona just use this one, say.
Check your pocket. The money is too small.
She be like, one still.
It's too small, but we'll manage it.
Tomorrow.
So you, now 500 naira love you they play. See your life.
Bad boy, sister. What's it? Should you see what you have cost?
Babe.
Please, don't beg me. Don't beg me.
Joy. Ma.
So how are you doing now?
Ma, I'm not really fine. I've used several drugs prescribed by the school doctor. My parents also took me to our family doctor. Ma, none of this is just working. I think the best solution for me now is just to keep using the pad so that it will prevent the flow.
This is serious. As in, serious than I thought. You know what? I think you need to try another length. I mean to see a man of God. There is nothing God cannot do.
Ma, please, if there is any way you can help me, please do.
Don't worry, okay? I will go home with you after school. I need to see your parents before taking any move. Okay?
Alright.
Just take care of yourself.
Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. Bye, ma.
I guess, students, that is the end of the class for today. Please, Amaka. Yes, Amaka.
Sir?
Amaka, I want to see you outside. Amaka.
Sir?
You promised to come yesterday, but you didn't show up. You kept me waiting. What happened?
I'm sorry, but my mom dragged me to the market yesterday when I came up from school. That's why. But I promised to come and see you today.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. Then I will have to sharpen my objects while waiting.
Uncle.
Be a good girl.
Okay, sir.
Don't keep me waiting.
Hi, Bimbola.
Hi, Cindy.
I can see you're busy reading.
Yes, so what to do? Reading of novel has been my hobby ever since the death of my best friend, Annabelle.
Oh, yeah.
So sorry.
Thank you.
You know what? We're here for you. You can make us your new friends.
Seriously? Yes. I feel loved. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So what novel are you reading?
Accepting responsibility.
Oh.
Okay. So, can we join if you don't
Of
mind?
course you can. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Not again. You can't keep crying for these girls. You should be used to them.
For how long? How long will they keep mocking me? I'm just sick and tired of them. I can't be using for every day of my life. I think the best thing I need to do now is just for me to sit at home until all this will be over.
No, now, you can't do that. Our Kaneko is just next month. You can't skip classes for those girls. And I thought Auntie Kate has promised to your parents to take you to our church program. You just have to believe in God for His divine healing and everything will be fine. Remember the woman in the Bible with the issue of blood? She had faith in God, and when she touched Jesus' garment, she was healed immediately. I just want you to have that same faith and everything will be fine. And I'm also fasting and praying for you.
Thank you so much, my darling friend. God bless you for your genuine love and care.
Come on. We're not just friends. We're like sisters. And we're in this together. I got your back. So stop crying. Stop crying and smile for me.
Thank you so much.
Give me that smile. Stop crying.
Babes, I don't think what you did to Joy is right. I mean, she's a woman like us. Why the humiliation?
Babe, please, I know you won't understand, but with time you will understand. Human don't need pity. You need to give it to them hot.
Yeah. As for me, I don't think it's right to.
Come, girls, did you hear about what happened behind the classroom? What happened? About those two students kissing.
You and Kiss 5 and 6.
Hey, fine. What? They tried though.
I don't have people that can fight for me.
I don't want to fight for me.
Hello. Can I talk to you for a moment? It's very important.
See, Cynthia, I know you are spiritually, physically, and mentally obsessed in love with me. But I beg in the name of God, let me be. I can't love you, so I don't want to discuss anything with you.
John, why? Why are you so stubborn? Why are you pushing me to the wall? Why?
I don't understand you. Pushing you to the wall. Ashawo.
See, John, if I can't have you, no one in this school will.
I can't have you. I mean, see, you can see I have someone else. So just try to accept the fact and move on.
That girl does not love her at all.
The thing I say, they form younger.
Oh, goodness sake, what did you see in that good for nothing stupid girl?
Cynthia!
It's fine. It's fine. What is fine? It's okay. Let's just... What you just did is totally unacceptable. How can you just let him go after slapping you? I'm angry, like I'm seriously angry. Okay. That guy has crossed his boundaries and must be dealt with.
I call what that guy did violence, and we need to report him to the school authorities immediately.
Okay, girls, it's okay. I'm going to deal with him. Let's just go, please. Babe, you better act fast. Guess the para. Don't let me use my own method on that guy. Don't try rubbish, oh. I will take care of him. I beg. Let's go. I'll take care of him.
What? John, that was too harsh now.
Now slapped her. Yeah, I'm regretting it. It's not nice to slap a lady, but she pushed me. That girl is just something else.
It's true. You really apologize now.
I will try, but right now, I just want to rest my head.
John, you need to apologize.
I'm hungry.
I know you need to.
Lucy, leave me alone. What's the meaning about this now?
Leave me. I will slap you.
You slap me.
I will give you a very dirty slap.
You slap me.
What's going on here now? Oh, I'm sure you girls are fighting because of boy. I better get out. I cannot separate you girls.
Lucy, leave me alone now. Respect yourself. I'm trying to respect. What's the meaning of all this?
Hey guys,
leave me alone.
Here? Lucy, what's happening?
Oh God.
Why you guys fighting?
I will beat her up mercilessly.
You guys like you be fighting in the school premises. It's not right.
Lucy. What's the meaning of all this now?
What is wrong with you girls? How can grown-up girls like you be constituting nuisance? You know what? I'm beginning to have it up here. I'm just sick and tired of the whole SS3 students. You know what? Both of you should get out. I said get out! Nonsense. I just pray your exam comes through so that you all get out of this school.